Okay, everyone. So now that we are able to set that Google font, let's start to work on the score text. And if you remember, we did do something that allowed us to go work with. I actually just dragged here one of the assets that I've drawn before. But before we work with that spike one there to set that up, I want to work with adding a score text into our project. So that means let's try to go to the create. Let's first declare some variables. So we want to have some sort of a score variables or system, right? Let's have a score system. Let's have let score, assign the value of 0. Then let's have a let score text. And then let's go down here. And you would see that we'll have some sort of an issue. Because when I was trying to test this out, and I was exploring how we can try to have the order for this, and we're going to reference the this keyword and the add property and the text property and or method, and we're going to pass in some values here, like let's have a score, and let's have an object that will contain the font size, say 32 pixels. Let's have a fill value of 777, just so that it will be some sort of a gray color. And what will this be doing for us? If we try to go back to our browser, we should see not yet getting rendered. Let's go back to our, we have the score text. So we also need to go to our, first our collect wheel. We'll need to do some setup here. Let's have plus equals to 10. Augmented assignment addition, augmented addition in vanilla JavaScript, and we're going to set text the method to going to stick with plus the score value. So what will be displayed on our browser now? So nothing's getting displayed. Most probably that's because of the order. Let's go back to our, as I mentioned, when I was testing this out, I encountered that issue from where it was not showing up when we had that placed at the top. So let's try to test out adding it in here. Let's see what will be rendered in our browser. We do see it there, but you'll see it's a bit dark. Let's see. Let me just go back to here. Let's just say, give it a dark color. So it is in front of the fog this time, right? It's in front of the fog. And what if we try to play around with this value? Let's say we wanted to have a 50. What are we going to get? So we do get to move it towards the left or the right. If I give it a 500, what will be the display? So you would see it's now here. And if I give it a little bit more, let's say I want to have at least 550, save that, and let's refresh the browser. So we do see that the score now is on the right side, and it augments or it adds some scores. Once we get to collect the wheels, we're able to collect those wheels. And we're able to add that score on our scoreboard or score text.